Doing the lights. Amanda almost gave my task away to someone else, but thankfully she realized when I screamed I love doing the lights that I should do the lights.
And sat by me at
Oops,
church.
sorry, Dad. I'm just trying to get the scenery, not you guys.
Yeah, we can get you.
Happy Mother's Day, everyone in the world that's watching. I mean, which is just Emily Titus. Shout out. Do you guys want to give a shout out to anyone?
No, thanks.
My dad says that's a muskrat. Say that again, Mom.
The nature preserve is uncontrolled. You don't plant stuff, you don't mow stuff, you don't, it's
Just nature.
natural environment.
Just nature. Except for this sidewalk, would you say?
Except for the sidewalk.
Boy, yeah, you have a question. Earlier today, all three of us were on our phone. We were all...
Oh, grand. Good night, Emily.
Good night.
Can't see you at all.
Yeah, it's because the candle's not very bright.
Tisn't.
Tisn't. Can you see me?
Still can't. Literally cannot. Oh, there it is. Good night.
Night. So bright. Get out of my face.